Hi, I'm Dr. Ninad from Inner Labs. This is our summary video for speed reading. If you want to look at all the details, please go back and check our 12-part series on speed reading. Reading is extremely fundamental. We are always reading, whether you're a student or a working professional or a businessman. You will reading emails, books on a computer or a laptop or a PC or a normal books or a paper. Reading speed is not constant over all these mediums. It actually depends also on your mood that time, how fast you can read. So reading speed is not a number, it's a speed band. And what we do here at Inner Labs is take up the whole speed band and raise it up. Speed reading gives you focus. Speed reading gives you determination. Speed reading gives you enjoyment because your entire brain is completely engrossed in reading the material at hand. If you are not a speed reader, if you're not reading 500, 600, and beyond words per minute, your brain has time. While you are reading, your brain has time to go away and look at other things. And that is distracting. I'm sure it might have happened to you at some point that you're reading, and you just realize last 5 minutes, I don't know what I read. I've just my eyes have read it, but my mind has not registered anything. And this is quite common. This is called distracted reading. And then you have to go back and start reading again. That causes your reading speed even to drop further. Speed reading reduces distractions because your brain doesn't have time to distract itself. Okay, now let's look at what is the benefit of speed reading. So you can see, if you look at this book, Harry Potter, the first book, it has about 75,000 words. Now, if you're an average reader, average American reader is 250 words per minute. And if you can go to 1,000 words per minute 4 times, the amount of time you need to read that book will be one fourth. At a normal average speed, you will take about 5 hours to read that book. But if you go to 1,000 words per minute, you will be done in 1 hour, 15 minutes. I have students who read at 2,500 words per minute, so they are done with this book in 30 minutes flat. Now, reading fast is not the only objective. The reading is followed, or reading should be followed by comprehension. So let's look at what are the parts of reading. There are 4 parts of reading. First is seeing the words. You look at those words. Then high speed comprehension. You need to understand at high speed. Information retention. Whatever you have understood, you need to keep it in mind. It can't just be understood and forgotten. And information recall. If you're a student, you need to recall that information when you're in a test scenario, or if somebody asks you a question. If you're a working professional, whatever you are reading in emails or books or business books, you need to be able to apply it later. Otherwise, what's the point in reading? So here at Inner Labs, we train you on all these 4 aspects one by one, and there are multiple parts to each of them and multiple techniques to learn. This one is about just speed reading and high speed comprehension. Now let's look at why we read slow. We read slow because there are 3 aspects of reading we use. We use visual, that means we see the words. Then we use our virtual voice box. See, I'm vocalizing, but most of you who are not already speed readers will sub vocalize. Sub vocalize meaning you are saying the words in your head. Just try yourself, read something and see if you are reading to yourself in your head. If you're doing that, then you are using the second box, the voice box, the virtual box, which has speed limit of 300 words per minute. You can't read that fast if you are using that virtual box. And the last one is, of course, making the meaning, comprehension, etc., all the mental processes. If you want to read fast, if you want to understand fast, if you want to get focused while reading, if you want to enjoy reading, if you want to do it for a long time without getting distracted, then the only thing you need to do is stop saying the words in your head. That's it. Very simple. If you can stop saying the words in your head, you will get huge speed boost. And that's the technique number one. There is technique number two, three, and four to go from 300, 400 words per minute to 700 to 1000 to 1500 and beyond. Now, I hope you are intrigued why speed reading is very important. I hope you will watch our full series so that you can get a gist of how you can start being a speed reader today. And if you would like to be trained in a speed reading and so many other techniques that we do here at Inner Labs, please contact us and join us. I'm Dr. Ninad and from Inner Labs. Thank you.